guys doing? Huh? Hi. What you doing? Let me fix your ear. Look at little Tinsel in the corner over there. She's looking outside to see if her mommy's coming around. Who's that? And that is Jolly. That's Jolly. Hey, Jolly. Hey, Jolly. Yes. Okay, he's climbing up. That's Elf climbing up, right front and center in the corner. Hey, Tinsel. To the right. Oh, and there's Jingle back in the corner, munching on a piece of food. Yeah. There's the big girl. That in the middle, that is Holly. She's walking over there. That's Holly. Yeah. Yes, it is. They're coming out to play for a little while. Out of the nest. Yes, out of the nest. Hey, Jolly. Hey, Jolly. That's Jolly and Jingle. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice, Holly. There's Elf. There's Elf. Hey, Elf. Climbing up. That's Elf. That's Elf. Yeah, with my finger, that's Elf. Yeah. Okay. And there's Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Oh, there's Morsel. What you doing, Morsel? Playing? Huh? Yeah. Lollipop and Jezebel. Yeah, everybody's playing. Yeah. Let's go see what the boys are doing. You have to keep the boys separate from the girls. You guys stay. Oh, Mojo's going pee-pee on the porch. There's Mojo. Here comes Zen and Jet. And there's Showbiz. You guys playing? Huh? Are you coming outside to play? Yeah? Oh, I can't find you. There they are. There's everybody. Jet. There's Jet. No, Jet. Come on. You stay out here. You can't go in with the girls. No. You can't go in with the girls. You gotta play out here with the boys. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.